Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. It is a weekend. So, about to see what's inside. Take advantage now, and you could get one of these. Sterilized portable. Ooh, now this is gonna be coming in handy. PWPAM UVILIZER cleaning wand. Whoa, check these out. Sterilizing lamp. 10,000 hours. Alright. Let's see how this thing works. We got some goodies. USB. Could leave that in there. We got the manual. Well, we're not going to need it, but it's in there. Nice little stocking stuffer to give somebody this year. Mini foldable UV wand. Alright, let's do some magic spells. Everything. Abracadabra. I need batteries. Oh. What size? What size? Okay, we need AAA, but we could take a look what this looks like. Nice steel right there. Got the lamps right there. Do not steer directly in it. Power on there. USB there. Grab some batteries over here. And we're going to turn this thing on. So it might be a little break for you guys for a second. But, you know, turn around for a second. They'll be over. Grab the batteries though. Magic wand. How many do you need in here? Oh, you need 4. Got a spring. Ring, ring, ring. So I gotta grab 2 more. Oh boy. Wait. Here we go. Okay, so total of 4 AAA batteries you're gonna need. So you might want to just grab the Amazon Basics. They last a long time, so they're good size batteries for stuff like this. See, these little guys. But here we go. Put this right. Bam. I think I got them in. See. Alright, alright. Close. There we go. Which is like, what is that? Oh, come on. Oh man, hold on. There we go. We got it in. Sorry about that. So turn it on. Oh, don't tell me I put them in wrong. Close. What the heck? Alright, gotta do a little troubleshooting. Something I did wrong. That's right. These batteries are good too. Brand new. Alright. Goes in that way. Make sure. One sec. Alright guys, all you gotta do is hold there we go, 3 seconds. It'll turn on. And then you can see it. Move it slow. And it'll clean the surface. Sun is pretty bright, so there we go. It's like magic. Alright guys, check them out. Get one of these magic wands to clean. Lights up there, lights up there. Alright, be safe. Have a good weekend. See you soon.